This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We are midweek. Shout out to the midweek. Let's get it. Guys, we have a lot to wait, what? No sound? Wait, hold on. Tell me that there's sound. Hold on. Okay, I think there's sound. I think someone is glitching over there. All right, sorry, guys. I got thrown off. I was like, hold on, glitch. Guys, we have a lot to cover today. We have breaking news. XRP/Ripple case is dropped by the SEC. We also have some ETFs on the way, and we have a crow, which we are going to talk about as well, and see if it's starting some controversy, as well as some states that are stirring the pot in terms of crypto and things going on there. So if you guys are ready for the Zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out, friends, so more people know what's going on. Say good morning to me as I say good morning to you, and check out our two amazing sponsors, Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. We also have a Newsmax appearance today, and I'm not 1000% sure on the time, but make sure you guys are staying tuned on my X, and I will let you know what's going on with Newsmax, so I'll be on there today. Also, guys, we have a Discord after show, so if you are a member of the YouTube channel, join. And if you're not a member yet, join. And so that way you could become a member, connect that to Discord, and you'll be a part of our after show. So let's get after it. Welcome, everyone. Nice to see everyone in the chat. Let's say good morning. Say good morning. We got Blocky, Silver Days, Chipper, John White, St. Jerome, Abundant, Alexandra G. My G is in the chat. Doge Bull, Bow is in the chat. Hello, Bow. We have a Lasers, Joe Harvey, Andy S. Black Hat, as always, good morning to you. Andy actually dropped a really cute comment on my post this morning. I really liked it. We have James, nice to see you. Aquarian, what's up? Let's see who else we have. You guys are chatting it up. We got Grandpa Stu, Auto Cough, good morning. Let's see, Steve Jones. We're gonna talk about everything XRP today, guys. So just be ready. Steve Jones is chilling. Ephraim is right above him on X. Nice to see you. Marlon is always is chilling on X as well. Robert Orr, nice to see you. Dutang, Crypto Surfer, nice to see you. We have M2, Keen Bean, Double O with his emojis, love that. Scott Miller, good morning. Jesse, good morning to you. Backup is chilling. Sean, good morning. JC is here. Bobby F. Joel is over on X. Let's see who else we got here. If I missed you, then make sure you yell at me in the comments so that way I know. Keith Lewis, good morning. Josh C, good morning. Wealth Panda Yahim, good morning. In the Moment, good morning. Crypto Otaku, good morning. He said, let the chaos begin. Yes, we're going to get after it, right? VV Zombie, David G. All right, guys, let's get after it, right, Brian? Oh, and we do have a subscriber goal. So we have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and we're really, I don't know why, we cannot get to 19,400. 8 more subscribers, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. I know that there are new people here, and if you are new, let us know. But please. Pump it up, everyone. Jay Violet, good morning. Nice to see everyone in the chat. All right, Shadow, good morning. Hi, everyone. Welcome. Emma Rod, good morning. Steven, good morning over there on TikTok. Hello, my TikTokers. Guys, please go to YouTube because you won't hear the audio over on TikTok. We're going to get into your market recap and things. Then we're going to get into the craziness of the news today. So let's get after it. Breaking news starts now. Well, guys, overall, we have some green in the markets. We do have Bitcoin that is $84,107. We are 1.7% in the green. Again, still battling this 200-day SMA. Bullish, again, is 91K. Bearish is anywhere between 73 and 77K. Money flow is tipping down just a little bit. We do have the momentum building up here, as well as the VWAP that is still bullish here on Bitcoin. RSI is chilling, still making its way up. Pretty close to neutral, so that's good. First piece of breaking news, we're going to talk about Minnesota, then we're going to talk about North Dakota and North Carolina. We're going to do North Dakota first because they're starting up some trouble here with the crypto ATM debacle. Now, again, crypto ATMs, I love them with my whole heart. I love crypto ATMs, but some of them have egregious fees. And if you walk up to them, and right now it's $84,000 Bitcoin, maybe they'll say $90,000 Bitcoin, and that just ain't right. But at the end of the day, should we be cramping down on them? Absolutely not. I think that obviously they should be truthful about the current rate of Bitcoin. The fees are just something we could all debate on our own. Though, how much control can you really have over these ATMs? North Dakota, their Senate is passing a crypto ATM bill to create a licensing regime. The U.S. state of North Dakota is close to creating a licensing regime for crypto ATMs after its Senate passed a bill that provides a regulatory framework for the industry. Originally introduced on January 15th, House Bill 1447 aims to protect consumers from scams involving crypto ATMs by mandating operators to issue on-screen fraud warning to users, obtain money transmitter licenses, use blockchain analytics software to detect and combat fraud, as well as submit quarterly reports on kiosk locations and transactions. Only some of that I agree with, but additionally, they must appoint a compliance officer. A report by TRM Labs found that crypto ATMs facilitated at least $160 million in illicit transactions since 2019. FTC data also shows nearly tenfold rise in Bitcoin ATM scam losses since 2020. Now, there's so much fraud within the trad ATM space that it's really hard for me to believe that crypto ATMs are really the problem. Is everything perfect? Absolutely not. But I think that we should definitely be more open to crypto ATMs, and that cramping down or clamping or whatever the word is, coming down on crypto ATMs, I just really don't think is the answer. We're going to talk about a Minnesota senator now that is proposing a Bitcoin Act after going from skeptic to a Bitcoin believer. And we're going to see a lot of that start to happen, especially if these people want to keep getting voted in. They want to maintain their positions in government. They're going to have to go pro-crypto because the people speak and crypto is what they want. Keep smashing the likes and subscribe, friends. Minnesota State Senator Jeremy Miller has introduced the Minnesota Bitcoin Act, which he drafted after completely changing his stance on Bitcoin. He said in a March 18th statement, "As I do more research on crypto and hear from more and more constituents, I've gone from being highly skeptical to learning more about it, to believing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies." He said his bill aims to promote prosperity for Minnesotans by allowing the Minnesota State Board of Investment to invest assets in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, just as it invests in trad assets. Several other states have introduced similar bills, with 23 states having introduced legislation to create a Bitcoin reserve. Now, under the bill, Minnesota state employees would be able to add Bitcoin and other crypto to their retirement accounts. It would also give residents the option to pay state taxes and fees with Bitcoin. Colorado and Utah already accept crypto for tax payments, while Louisiana allows it for state services. So I think this is very interesting. And I'm going to assume, let me actually not assume. Let me see if I can get the actual bill here. Because I would think that if it's similar to other states, a Bitcoin would probably be the only one that qualifies, as it has above a $500 billion market cap, which ETH is right under that. And a few cryptocurrencies are right under that. So this is also telling us that we are having a crypto country, not just Bitcoin. Other states are realizing it's not going to be just Bitcoin. We're going to have other things involved. Even within his actual statement, which I think is an important quote that wasn't included in this article, he says crypto is a versatile digital asset that can be used in multiple ways, including as investments, global currency, or a hedge against inflation. My goal with this legislation is to promote prosperity for people across the state by putting Minnesota in a strategic position to take advantage of being on the forefront of this digital revolution. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Not surprising at all. Oh, it's so great. Investments, a global currency. I love how they included global currency because they know that Bitcoin's going to take over the world. And I hope they're talking about Bitcoin and decentralized digital currencies and not CBDCs, as those are banned in the United States as of right now, according to Donnie T's EO. So that's the second state we're talking about today. Now we have a third one. We have North Carolina that is eyeing a Bitcoin strategic reserve, as well as they have their new Senate bill put forward that it would allocate up to 10% of the public funds into Bitcoin. So again, they joined over a dozen other states in pursuing a creation of a Bitcoin reserve, introducing a bill on Tuesday to position the state, as a leader in state-level crypto adoption. Senate Bill 327, or SB 327, calls for North Carolina's state treasurer to allocate up to 10% of public funds to Bitcoin, introduced by Republican Senators Todd Johnson, Brad Overcash, and Timothy Moffitt. The bill envisions Bitcoin investment as a financial innovation strategy to strengthen North Carolina's economic standing. Under this bill, the treasurer should Bitcoin will be stored in a multi-signature cold storage and subject to monthly audits for transparency and security. I love how they're already like, yeah, we're going to have monthly audits for Bitcoin and the multi-sig wallet when we don't even have an audit on Fort Knox. Where is the gold, bro? Where is the gold? But the thing about Bitcoin is that it's public. Everything's accounted for. It's on an open ledger. So if anything's moved, obviously people know, especially if it's a multi-sig wallet, people are going to know. So I thought that was a pretty interesting note there. The bill enforces strict controls on the use of Bitcoin, limiting liquidation only to instances of severe financial crisis and requiring approval from 2/3 of the General Assembly for any sale. It further mandates the creation of a Bitcoin Economic Advisory Board tasked with providing ongoing guidance on the reserve's management. The three senators also included the possibility of Bitcoin mining operations in the bill as a way to increase the state's holdings at a lower cost. There is so much wasted energy. Put my Bitcoin miner emojis in the chat. There is so much wasted energy that's literally going nowhere, but could be allocated to Bitcoin mining, and then you make money. Like, that is just, at least they have some sense here. The bill authorizes the state treasurer to engage in Bitcoin-backed investment strategies, including staking, lending, and other regulated yield-generating activity. It's part of a larger push in North Carolina to incorporate crypto into state policy. They also recently proposed House Bill 92 to allow the treasurer to invest in Bitcoin ETPs, and it proposes to allocate up to 10% of public funds and retirement systems into these ETPs. So not only are they trying to buy Bitcoin, mine Bitcoin, keep it secure in a multi-sig wallet, but they're like, we're going to have some crypto ETPs thrown in there too. So it's a little bit of diversification to a degree. So interesting. I'm just waiting for the federal stuff to go down and see what's going to move forward. I know we have some sort of EO that was signed for a strategic Bitcoin reserve, but I want to see moves done on that because the states are obviously going to outpace the feds. So we'll see what happens. Before we get into XRP, again, the headlines aren't too much today. Probably an early show and early after show. So keep posting on how the show flows today. But we do have Ark Invest Cathie Wood, who proposed something similar to what actually Coinbase is rumored to be doing as well, saying she wants to bring their company's funds on chain. Not a bad idea. Pushing transparency, huh? Ark Invest CEO Cathie Wood, one of the earliest TradFi investors in crypto, hopes to bring some of her company's funds on chain once the regulatory landscape allows companies in the U.S. to do so. She said at the Digital Asset Summit in New York, "We think tokenization is going to be huge. We'd love to be able to tokenize our venture fund, Ark VX, or our Digital Asset Revolution Fund. I think the regulations are starting to open up in a way that will allow us to do that, so we'd like to seize the moment." Regulators have yet to provide a clear framework and rules for registering security tokens, making it difficult for entities like Ark to produce or launch products in the booming space that some believe could be a multi-trillion-dollar market by the end of 2030. This is where Coinbase comes in. Executives of Coinbase, a big holding of Ark, had previously mentioned a similar outlook, although it was vague as companies are trying to make their mark in the tokenization industry. So we might have some funds going on chain. Very interesting. Hello, my friend Type Crow. We actually have some Crow news that I'm going to share with you guys. I have some Crow news that we're going to share. It's going to be part of your coins to watch today. Wick said, did y'all hit the like? Jesse's going to take you out. Yeah, guys, fear Jesse. I'm just kidding. But also smash the like.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Now what everybody's losing their noodle about on X is XRP. Let me see those XRP emojis. I want to see XRP emojis. We're going to get into the chart. It should probably be a spotlight today, but honestly, we're not waiting for that. We're getting into it. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm wrong. I have one more thing to talk about before that. Sorry, hold on. We also have a Polkadot ETF, so hold on. Build up anticipation for XRP. We have 21 shares of Polkadot ETF that the plan is progressing with NASDAQ to launch it and have listing approval. The NASDAQ officially asked the SEC to allow Swiss asset manager 21 shares to list and trade shares of a Polkadot ETF. The exchange submitted a 19B4 filing to the SEC asking for permission to list the ETF if approved by the regulator. It would track the price of DOT, the native cryptocurrency of Polkadot. It follows the amended S1 submitted by 21 shares earlier this year, making another step in their push for more crypto ETPs. They also have XRP and Solana stuff looking to be pushed as well. Let me get the DOT chart really quick. DOT. Okay, where's my chart? That's not cool, bruh. Okay, there we go. So we do have the DOT chart, which, again, battling the 200-day SMA, like a lot of different coins, tokens, and whatnot at the moment. Now, we had a nice bounce here with DOT, $4.56 right now, up 2.24%. Bearishly, you're looking at $3.50. Bullish, you're looking over here at $5 DOT. So keep posting on that. VWAP is pumping, momentum's pumping, post-screen DOT. Though we do have a very, very heavy red money flow. RSI, though, looks like it's picking up as it did cross the neutral and is now bullish. So watch out for DOT. The whole market's doing pretty well today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, hello.
You're the best. It's been harder and harder to catch you because I've been working in customers' homes in the AM. Glad I'm here today.
Papa John. Hi, Papa John. I appreciate it. You are the best, and I have a lot of love for you. Papa John is Miss Tween Crypto's dad, and I support him big time. Shout out to Miss Tween Crypto, my girl. Oh, so much love for her and Papa John. Glad you're here, my friend. Guys, we're pamping it up. Smash the like, subscribe, share. I really hope as we talk about XRP, we could try to smash our goal here. 7 more subscribers to 19,400. Guys, come on, pump it up, pump it up, pump it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
All right, guys, jumping on into it. Brad Garlinghouse making a announcement that is shaking up the crypto space today, that the SEC has officially dropped the Ripple case. So this is the video from his post. He said, "This is it, the moment we've been waiting for. The SEC will drop its appeal, a resounding victory for Ripple, for crypto. Every way you look at it, the future is bright. Let's build." Here's the video, friends. Put those XRP emojis.
As many of you know, just over 4 years ago, the United States SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple. I'm finally able to announce that this case has ended. It's over. Sitting here today and reflecting on 4 years ago, it seems very clear to me that this case was doomed from the start. In so many ways, it was the first major shot fired in the war on crypto. I truly felt like I knew then that Ripple was not only on the right side of the law, but I felt that we were also going to be proven to be on the right side of history.
It really, I think, sends an ominous sign for innovation around cryptocurrency in the United States. Picking winners in general has not been something the US government should be in the business of doing.
I think the judge realizes this is not just about Ripple. This will have broader implications. As Mary Jo White, the former head of the SEC, has said publicly that she views this as a dead wrong, and the SEC is dead wrong on this decision.
Ripple is the first company with the resources, determination, and grit to fight back against the agency's overreach. And today, this journey finally concludes. Today is a victory and a long overdue surrender by the SEC. The SEC, under Chairman Gary Gensler, went after the whole industry, using the same arguments they used against us. They weren't out to protect investors. They were out to intimidate and terrorize. The regulator, whose primary purpose is to protect investors, went all in on a non-fraud, victimless lawsuit and wiped out $15 billion of value from innocent XRP holders. The SEC was the market manipulator. The SEC wasn't seeking justice. They were seeking to win a case at any cost. Forces inside our government aligned with the SEC and embarked on a campaign of debanking anyone associated with the crypto industry. This was lawfare, a war of legal terror. Fortunately, the judge rebuked the SEC multiple times in this journey. First, for lacking a, quote, faithful allegiance to the law. The SEC was sanctioned in our case for discovery abuses, and the pattern was repeated in other crypto cases.
Well, let's just say they're trying to confuse you.
We won then on every critical legal point, proving that the digital asset XRP is not a security. That is now the law, and those wins have laid the groundwork for policymakers to adopt a set of rules for crypto that are in line with nearly a century of securities law. With today's news, the war on crypto has ended in defeat for those who turned our own government against a technology and an entire industry. I'm heartened that we have paved the way for other industry players to see the value in not backing down, and for others to use our legal playbook to fight back. We are now closing a chapter in crypto history. I think we're all stronger for our prior litigation successes and today's landmark victory. Progress is worth fighting for. We won multiple pro-crypto victories at the ballot box last year. It's time to make the US the crypto capital of the world. Thankfully, we have new leadership in executive and legislative branches of our government. That leadership is actively seeking a rational and constructive way forward on crypto. Let's make the most of this. This is an incredibly promising moment. Let's come together. Let's leave the tribalism behind. But let me make it clearer that my main message, what Ripple's main message today, is about gratitude. It's gratitude to everyone who stood by us, to every Ripple employee, to the incredible legal team here at Ripple, led by the best chief legal officer in the business, Stu Alderodi. Gratitude certainly to the XRP family, to our customers, to our partners. Thank you. We couldn't have won this battle without all of you being behind us and working together. I truly believe we all agree there's immense opportunity with the largest economy in the world finally taking a pro-crypto and pro-innovation approach to build this technology in order to solve—
Oh no, sorry, hold on. So sorry, 1 second, it glitched.
Certainly to the XRP family, to our customers, to our partners, thank you. We couldn't have won this battle without all of you being behind us and working together. I truly believe we all agree there's immense opportunity with the largest economy in the world finally taking a pro-crypto and pro-innovation approach to build this technology in order to solve real-world problems for people around the planet. This was a fight Ripple never wanted, but one we knew we had to win, and today, emphatically, we have. Thank you.
Whoa, little Brad freaking popping off this morning. He was also at a conference in NYC this morning. This is what he had to say. This is a quick clip as well.
Here at Digital Asset Summit. Just a few minutes ago, right before we walked up here, I posted on X that we can now announce that the SEC is no longer pursuing their appeal in the Ripple case. We're obviously, thank you. I've been here at Digital.
So there we go. Brad's in a good, jolly mood this morning. We have Ripple XRP news. XRP right now is at $2.55, up 11.9%. Bullish level to watch here is $2.75. Again, that is your golden zone. We want to find support here. Target 340, which is our current high that we haven't seen since we hit it the first time on January 16th. So we are looking for that $3.40. If we can hold support here, we want to go back up to 340. So that is your bullish scenario for XRP. Bearish is if we give back our gains, we lose all this momentum here. And we look at $1.80 to $1.83. And then we have the 200-day SMA right below us. So those are just your levels to watch. Green dot is printed just now, which, again, we have a lot of bullish momentum kicking in here. As you see the actual momentum, again, with this green dot pushed on up with that VWAP. Though the money flow is still low around July 2024 levels here, RSI, looking at that really briefly, is shooting at the moment and is bullish. So you want to keep this momentum going, not just have a pump and then a pullback. But this is your latest on XRP, and the Ripple case has now concluded.
Hucksters, fraudsters,
Gary, we didn't ask
scam
you.
artists,
Gary, stop.
Ponzi schemes.
See, Gary just doesn't want to stop talking. It is so ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Gary, we did not ask you, sir. Thank you. SMH. Now, we do have we have a few things to go over too. So that is your latest over here on Ripple news. So SEC cases dropped. There you go. All is well that I guess ends well for XRP and Ripple. We'll see how they keep going in the United States. I knew once they had a meeting with Donnie T that most likely things were going to be pretty positive for them. Zero pockets today, no pockets. There is no room for pockets in this one. Zools. Exactly, Wick. Like, Gary needs to shut it. But Gary must be, like, sitting in MIT, like, crying mad tears right now. Or maybe not, because he made a lot of money doing what he did. So we have a project spotlight today. We have one coin to watch, and then we're going to get into some charts and then go into our after show. So let's get after it. Are you bullish on XRP? Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. If you're bullish on XRP, let me know. Let me know. I see a lot of controversy in the chat over XRP right now. All right. Project Spotlight. Let's do it. We have EOS, who is basically the papa to Wax. Wax blockchain, World Asset Exchange is what it stands for. Created by Tether co-founder William Quigley, by the way. Not a lot of people know that. Anyway, EOS is rebranding to Vaulta as it shifts its focus to Web3 banking. So this is all new stuff. And EOS, people are saying it's a ghost chain, but now they want to make a comeback here. EOS Network, known for its scalable blockchain infrastructure, is rebranding to Vaulta as it pivots towards Web3 banking. It comes with the token swap that's provisionally scheduled for the end of May. So it seems like they're completely ditching EOS right now. It also comes with the launch of the Vaulta Banking Advisory Council, a group of financial and blockchain industry experts focused on bridging the gap between trad banking and decentralized systems. Members include executives from Systemic Trust, Tetra, ATB Financial. Alexander Nelson, Senior Director of Digital Finance at ATB, said Vaulta's strategic realignment towards Web3 banking is a significant development for the industry. This move not only opens the door for trad funds to enter DeFi through Bitcoin, but also paves the way for the greater institutional acceptance. They plan to maintain its technical infrastructure from EOS Network, including smart contract architecture, decentralized database, and inter-blockchain connectivity. They'll integrate with XSAT, a Bitcoin-focused digital banking solution, as part of their banking initiative. So the CEO of the Vaulta Foundation says this transformation represents more than just a name change. It's a decisive step forward in our mission to deliver open, accessible financial access for everyone. Vaulta is the product of years of planning, strategic development, and thoughtful design, culminating in a holistic Web3 banking approach. Oopsie, wrong button. But that is the latest on EOS. They are rebranding, and with that, we have the token surging up 16.5%, just about 57 cents at the moment. We are looking at a market cap of $888.68 million, also up 16%. The volume in the past 24 hours is at $564 million, up 785%. So that's your latest on EOS. People are calling it EOS. I call it EOS. That's how I first heard it. That's how I'm going to continue calling it. But I guess they're Vaulta now, so now we're all Vaulta. That's your latest on EOS. So I just thought that was pretty important because this is like an OG blockchain here that people are like, oh my gosh, it's Vaulta. It's Vaulta now. Oh, we have Isaac in the chat, Blockchain Basement Crew up in here. Hello, my friend Isaac. Welcome. Nice to see ya. Nice to see ya. Smash the like, subscribe, share it, guys. We are going on Newsmax today. We're going on the national TVs. So let's keep getting after it. I'm excited, as always. Oh, I see Dennis transferred from TikTok to YouTube to hear all the zest. Shout out to Dennis. And if you guys are new to the show, then please smash the like, let us know, and become a member of the channel so that way you could become part of our members only after show on Discord, which we are going to start in just a few moments. We have your coin to watch today. I have to fix this transition. All right, guys, we do have Crow, and the crypto community is getting a little bit spicy over Crow this morning. I know my friend Board Type Crow is in the chat, so I want you, my friend, to comment your thoughts about this. They're coming after the Crypto.com CEO for over $7 billion Crow reissuance. I want to know what you guys think about this because their supply is supposed to grow 200%. So Crypto.com came under fire following an allegedly manipulated vote leading to a massive token burn reversal on Crypto.com's Kronos blockchain. The CEO, Chris, took on X to highlight the firm's financial and regulatory stability amid the ongoing controversy over the 7 billion Kronos token reissuance, essentially canceling the 7 billion Crow token burn announced in 2021. The vote on bringing back the tokens has triggered outrage from the community, with many commentators criticizing the CEO for not addressing the issue in his new thread on X. One commentator got spicy and said, "So you made $1 billion profit, but need to mine 7 billion Crow instead of using those funds to buy some off the market and help your core community remain positive." Disclosed back in 2021 in a now deleted post on the Crypto.com blog, the 7 billion Crow token burn was called the largest burn in history, with a goal to fully decentralize the network at the Crow mainnet launch. The blog post site aligned with our belief, and with the Crow chain mainnet launch just around the corner, we are fully decentralizing the network. And so it seems as though they're not going to burn those 7 billion tokens or something to that degree here. So I don't really know what's going on here. So apparently they burned it, but they want to bring it back. They want to bring back 7 billion tokens. And so this, again, was a last-minute governance flip. So they drew a close late Monday with the community voting in favor of a token supply growing from 30 billion Crow to 100 billion Crow over a 10-year vesting period. But we have a few Crow whales or influential users who hold large amounts of the token stepping up in the last few hours of the vote to nudge it in favor. So a lot of people, again, they have the proposal of reissuing the 7 billion Crow that they burned in 2021 for a strategic reserve, which I'm a little like, what is going on? I'm a little, yeah. So basically they wanted to they burned it, the 7 billion Crow, but now they want 70 billion, sorry. And then now they want to bring it back. I don't know how you feel about that. Are you still bullish on Crow? We're going to take a look at price action here. Crow right now, oopsie, hold on. There we go. 8-cent Crow, we're up 2.28%. So despite all the drama, we're not really seeing too much detriment to token price. I mean, if you look at yesterday's candle, down 8%, which isn't too bad for all the controversy here. Bullishly, you're looking at 9.5 cents, about 10 cents, and then you're going to look at the bear scenario, 5.5 cents here. You can see the money flows continuing to dip down, but even if you look over here, the volume is just really not that high. It's really not that high in volume. So the money flow is definitely a problem. Then you have the VWAP that's down, a red dot printing on the momentum, and the RSI looking at that is just kind of chopping it up between neutral and bearish, but now bearish. Are you guys still bullish? Base Bailey said not a happy Crow holder. Laser said they still think they have some crow. Let me see these comments. I want to know. Because I really do like crypto.com as an exchange. I really do. But I'm not sure how we feel about this token stuff. How high do I think XRP can go today? I don't do price predictions. I don't. But I gave you the levels to watch, which is 275. You want to hold 275, so you could hold support there and then make room to go back to 340, which is your all-time high. But other than that, I don't got much for you because I don't do price predictions. Bobby Flash says, I feel like Crow will make a lot of money in the long haul. Got you, lasers. Got you. Brian said I was till 2 minutes ago. Yeah, 70 billion tokens, guys. I don't know. So we'll see what happens today. Hi, No. Nice to see ya. We're going to go into our charts, and then we're going to hop right into that beautiful members-only after show. And if you guys have any questions for me, please bring it to the after show so I can answer them for you, and we'll get after it. Like I said, we were looking at Bitcoin before, which is starting to perk up a little bit. $84,192 at the moment, up 1.79%. Again, your 200-day SMA is literally less than $200 away, $84,350 right now. We're battling that. You can see a wick has briefly tapped that 200-day SMA. We really want to go above that 200-day SMA. I wish it was a little bit thicker so you guys can see it better. Again, 91K is really where we want to push for bullish. Bearish, we're looking at 76, 77K. Those are your levels to watch for Bitcoin at the moment. And then we're going to look at ETH. Then we're going to look at Litecoin and Doge. Those are our main four that we always look at first. $2,029 ETH, up 5%. Bearishly, again, is your $1,800 ETH. Right now, we want to maintain support at 2,000. It's a major, and I can't stress it enough, a major psychological level is $2,000. I never want to see below $2,000 ETH again, because that's especially when people get upset. No, we stay above 2,000. All right, ETH. Bullishly, we're looking at 2160. Over on the market ciphers, we do have a green dot printed moving up that momentum. VWAP is bullish, and the money flow is struggling. Again, we're seeing levels that we haven't seen since back here in August of 2024. I can't believe it's 2025, guys. We're 3 months into the year already. Like, that's just absolutely wild to me. We bounced off that oversold level. We're moving on up. A nice push with this RSI today, but I do hope we can hold that and keep on moving to the neutral, go bullish for this RSI. That is very important to us. Ooh, you think I have some gains? Thank you, Magic Sun. Appreciate it. Guys, hit the gym today. Work out that stress. We're going to be all right. We have $91 Litecoin, $91.85 to be precise. We're up 2%. And you see the wicks are dancing. They're dancing with that 200-day SMA. We want to continue moving. We want to hold $90 Litecoin. $91 Litecoin is definitely, it was a tiff for us in the past. Bullishly want to pass this $94 200-day SMA for Litecoin and look at $97 Litecoin. Bearish level to watch is right here around $85. So that's your Litecoin. Let me see those Litecoin emojis. All right, moving to the market cipher end of things. The volume is not that high on Litecoin, and even market cipher is showing you with the declining money flow. This is the lowest we've seen since right here in the beginning of February. But even over here in August of last year, moving up is that momentum. VWAP is okay. She's slightly all right. And then we have the RSI that is chopping it up. But again, a steady move to the upside, which I really like. We're slowly building that up with the RSI. So I want to, of course, target that neutral and go bullish with that RSI. But it's a really nice move to the upside, I will say. Might be choppy, but it's better than nothing. And we like to slowly move on up instead of just absolutely mooning, because then that's when you get into trouble, friends. That's when you get into trouble. Dogecoin, we're going to look at Dogecoin. just below 17 and a quarter cents right here. 0.17235 cents for Doge Poo. Up 2.6% right now. And what are we battling? Our level in blue, which is that 0.173 cents. That's what we want to create support at and target that 18 or 19 cents, I should say, right below 19 cents. Bearish level to watch is 12 cents, 0.123 cents. We have market Cipher again, lowest money flow on Doge that we haven't seen since, let's see, back. Since June of 2022. So Doge needs that volume, man. Green dot is printing on that momentum. It's still working out quite nicely. We do have that VWAP that is still bullish, making a slight move to the upside here. And then we got the choppy RSI that we really want to move up. But again, chopping is better than just absolute detriment or real pumps, because real crazy moves, you're going to pay the price for it later. East Bay 24K. Hello, my friends. Hello, welcome. Crypto's lit, gonna get wild after ETF start. I think we're gonna see some approvals here, but the problem is we don't have Paul Atkins. Paul Atkins is supposed to be our SEC chair, and we have had little to no news on when this man is gonna become our SEC chair. We have obviously Mark Ueda, who's our acting chair of the SEC, but man, like, we need our actual chair of the SEC. Mark is doing a great job. Don't get me wrong, Mr. Mark, you're killing the game over there. And so is Hester Peirce leading the crypto task force, which has been pretty positive for the crypto space. But man, we gotta put in that work. We gotta get some movement in the regulation space. Gains for life, first time live on your show. Hello, Gains is in the chat. Pump it up for Gains. Everyone say hi for Gains. Gains is a good dude. Good dude. I always see Gains around. We have 119 likes. We have 125 viewers. Can we get the 125 likes? Is that possible? Are we doing that? Your Bitcoin prediction today, I'm looking at the poll. 63% of you guys said we're going to remain in the 80s. 37% of you guys said 90s and above. I don't know. We would have to have like a nice candle. I think, hold on. Is that today? So, yeah, I think we're going to have an FOMC meeting today, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what time it is. I think it's, let's see, 2 hours ago, watch live today, FOMC, 2:30 p.m. So I think that's definitely something to watch. If you guys are interested in Trad Markets, 2:30 p.m., we're going to see Jerome Powell, Chapow, hit that mic, and we'll see what he says. But all pretty good things happening today. We have 2 states looking to have some Bitcoin, a Bitcoin strategic reserve. We have the Ripple case that was dropped, and a lot of people are talking about that as well. XRP surging. Again, you're looking for 275 to hold, and hopefully you make your way back to $3. But your bearish level to watch is $1.80 something. So decision is at 2. Yeah, so watch out for the live stream at 2:30. Watch out for everything that's going on there. But overall, stay positive. Oh, yay, we are pumping with likes. Let's go.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Also, keep posted on X. I will have some updates for you guys in regards to my Newsmax hit. I'm supposed to go live on Newsmax today. I think it's going to be 2:45. Pretty sure. So watch out for either 2:45 or 3:45. I'm pretty sure I'll be on today at 2:45. So I haven't gotten the official confirmation, but Newsmax at 2:45. Watch out for it. And so we're going to talk about some Bitcoin, crypto on national TV. Excited. Let's get it. But right now we are going to hop into Discord, guys. If you are not a member yet, please become a member of the YouTube channel, as we do have 6 more subscribers until our goal. Come on, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, subscribe, share, join the Discord right now. Members only after show is about to begin. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. We are getting after it. We're remaining positive, and everyone was down and out a few days ago. Now I see a bunch of you guys are here in the stream, and we're all doing well. It's all going to be okay. Everything happens in phases. Life is going to throw all these punches at you. Don't worry. Again, keep calm, huddle on, stay zesty, be your own bank. Have a beautiful day. Happy Wednesday, everybody. And I will see you on Newsmax at 2:45 p.m. Eastern and in Discord right now for the members only after show. Have a great day. Stay zesty. Peace.